So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of TechYoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can create ISO file in Windows 11. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Now you search for Windows 11 Media Creation Tool. Press enter. Now you click on this first link which says download Windows 11. Now scroll down. Now under create Windows 11 installation media, click on download now. Now here click on unverified download blocked. Now click on download unverified file and this will download media creation tool. Run it. Now in the UAC prompt click on yes. Now minimize this window. Now here click on accept. Now wait for a few seconds. Now here click on ISO file. Click on next. Now here select a path, for example desktop. Click on save and this will start creating ISO file for Windows 11. Wait for the process to complete and the work will be done. So this I can create ISO file in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.